Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix multiple accounts option not showing up on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you can't find multiple accounts option on your WhatsApp and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store application, and after opening up your Play Store application, now in search bar you have to search for WhatsApp. And after searching for WhatsApp, now you just have to check if you have an update. So if you do have an update, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update your WhatsApp. And after updating your WhatsApp, it should fix the problem. But if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply check if you have a good internet connection. So if you don't have a good internet connection, then you might face this kind of problem. So what you have to do is just simply turn on and turn off your Wi-Fi and then check if that fixed your problem, or you can also use your mobile data. So if you do have a mobile data, please use that because it is better than using your Wi-Fi and it can fix the problem. So you just have to check by doing this. But even this does not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply contact WhatsApp support. So what you have to do is just simply open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your Chrome browser, now in search bar you can search for WhatsApp support. And after searching for WhatsApp support, now you'll come up to this page. From here, just simply tap on contact WhatsApp, and after tapping on contact WhatsApp, just simply tap on contact us, and from here you will find this form. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then fill this form. So in the first blank you have to enter your phone number. Before entering your phone number, please select your country code, and after selecting your country code, just enter your mobile number that you have linked your WhatsApp with. After entering that, now you just have to enter your email address which you have linked with your WhatsApp, re-enter it and then confirm your address, and then select your device. So if you are using an Android, iPhone, web or desktop, just simply select one, and from here what you have to do is just simply enter a message of the problem that you are facing. So you can just simply type in the message. I'll type in. What you have to do is just simply copy it from here and then paste it in your WhatsApp message. So what you have to do is just simply copy this message which you can see in my screen. So you just have to copy the following message. So what you have to do is just simply look at this message and then simply copy it and then type it in your WhatsApp message. And after doing that, what you have to do is just simply tap on next step. And after tapping on next step, now you will just simply send this message to your WhatsApp, and then WhatsApp will try to fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix multiple accounts option not showing up on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.